I see you. Overweight, depressed, wishing you could live someone else's life. I see you. Wondering how you got here. Looking back at years lost to fad diets and failed weight loss attempts. I see you. Eating pizza and fast food yet again, feeling like a failure, passing on your own bad habits to your kids. I see you. Hating your reflection in the dressing room mirror, trying to avoid the judgmental look from the salesperson when you casually say, "Oh, it didn't fit." And trust me, I know you've tried to lose the weight. Over and over you've tried. You've started and stopped programs, lost weight and gained it all back, maybe even more than you lost. Every new diet, every new extreme weight loss pill, every crazy fitness regimen, even the dangerous ones. You tried because you were desperate. I know because I've been there. But it doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to live like this. You can lose the weight. In just 10 days, you can see and feel real results. Watch the weight melt off. Wear the little red dress or the little black dress. Wear any dress you want. Love your reflection and feel confident when you walk into a room. Be the woman you know you are inside. Fall in love with your life again. This isn't another fad weight loss program. It's not a turbo mega 1000 exercise plan. It's a simple 10-day program that resets your entire body and teaches you how to be healthy once and for all. It's a total do-over. On this program, I lost 14 pounds. It was the fastest and easiest I'd ever lost the weight. I didn't crave any of the junk I used to want, and I was officially done living a mediocre life. Every time I look in the mirror now, I'm so proud of the person looking back at me. Every time I slip on my jeans, I thank myself for taking the risk and getting started. But it's not just me who's seen results. Through the Smoothie Detox Challenge, hundreds of women have already started their weight loss journeys, losing 10, 12, even 14 pounds in just 10 days. By the end of 10 days, you won't crave sugar or junk food anymore. You'll have more energy than ever before. You won't feel like you're working against your body's natural rhythm. For 10 days, you'll drink healthy, delicious whole food smoothies. You'll engage with a community of women who are going through the same things you are, supporting each other along the way. You'll change your body and health forever and kickstart your new healthy weight loss journey. Right now, no more excuses. The minute you decide that you want better for yourself is the minute your life will shift forever. Are you ready? Join us below to get started on the last weight loss journey you'll ever have to take.